Bluehost coupon code and Bluehost discount code. So as you can tell by today's video title, I'm showing you how you can save a bunch of money with Bluehost and get the best deal possible. So I'll provide a link down below in the video description where you can get the latest and up-to-date discount codes and coupon codes for Bluehost. And as you can tell by today's video, I'm showing you how you can actually get Bluehost right here for $2.75 per month. Basically, obviously, you have to go with the 36-month term to activate this discount. I'll go over more of that in today's video, but again, to activate your best deal, all you have to do is simply click the top link down below in the video description to activate your Bluehost deal. So if we go over here to get started right here, and this is going to be like, for the time being. So keep in mind that these pricing plans may change at the time of recording this video. Well, not at the time of recording this video. This is like the pricing plan, but like whenever you're watching this video, it could be like a couple of months, a year from now. These pricing plans and these promo codes and discount codes could potentially change. So just be careful of that. And there's obviously the chance that someone could get the coupon code before you. And in that case, obviously, there may not be like no more coupon codes available. But at the time of recording this video, there's a special deal because normally, as you can see, it's going to be $8.99 per month, basically, when it comes to this deal right here. But as you can see, you can get it for $2.75 per month. And obviously, there's other different discounts right here as well. Obviously, keep in mind if you go with 24 months or 12 months right here. So basically, you're paying 36 months in advance, but you're getting it at a discounted rate. And then, like, the less you pay in advance, the more you have to pay per month, as you can see right here. So that's something to keep in mind, basically. But as you can see, this is like the best discount right here. So for today's video, I'm going to go ahead and click on the basic plan, which is perfect if you just need one site. So I think most people and most of you guys, and maybe even yourself, you probably just want to go with the basic plan. So if I click on select right here, we'll be taken to the next step where we can go ahead and actually activate our discount and start using it. Also, keep on watching this video because I'm going to be showing you how you can save some even more money with your Bluehost purchase, because there's some tricks that we can use so we can get an even bigger Bluehost discount on top of our Bluehost coupon code. Okay, so what we can do right here is we can create a new domain, or use a domain right here. So I'm going to go ahead and skip this step right here so we can go over here and most importantly, so I can show you the tricks so you can get an even bigger discount. So this is pretty self-explanatory. You're just putting your account information, your first name, last name, your address, yada yada yada. Pretty self-explanatory. So like I said right here, this is going to be the package information. So you can choose basic, right here where you get the biggest discount, and then overall to the 12-month price right here. So we're going to leave that as it is. Now this is where we can save some money. So this is where we can actually use some tricks to basically save some money. Well, it's not really a trick, but it's basically a way we can minimize our costs and get a bigger Bluehost discount on top of our Bluehost coupon code. So as you can see right here, we will be paying $170 right here, based on what we've chosen so far at the time of recording this video, and we get total savings of $224.64, which is a 69% off. All right, but if we actually get rid of these package extras, a lot of these package extras aren't necessary. You may want more information, and if you want more information on each one of these package extras, you can look that up and click on more information. But for the most part, you can just get rid of these right here, and you can save a bunch of money. So Code Guard Basic and Site Lock Security were added to the package, and if we actually, and as you can see, the price is $170.76. But if we remove these package extras right here, now we're only paying $99 as opposed to, paying like $170 before, right? So that's an amazing way to not only, reduce this price right here, but to also, take advantage of the savings right here that we're activating as well with our Bluehost coupon code by clicking the top link down below. So even, let's just say for a scenario that maybe these coupon codes or discount codes do expire. So maybe, for the basic 36-month price, you have to pay a little bit more. You can still just remove some of these package extras to basically minimize the cost. And that way you'll still be getting the best, or a better Bluehost discount in this regard, and making the most of it out of it, regardless when you're watching this video. So I wanted to share this method with you as well. A lot of people don't really, keep this method in mind. They just include the package extras and they pay more. But if you want to save the most amount of money and get a Bluehost discount, you can keep this in mind, right? And then there's the payment information right here. So you can pay by credit card, or you can see more payment options as well. So I do believe they accept PayPal, so you can pay via PayPal or you can pay via credit card, which is pretty cool. And then obviously there's some information right here regarding the terms. You can read that as well. Then you just click on submit, and then there you go. You have a Bluehost account, and most importantly, you've actually activated and used a Bluehost coupon code. I've shown you how you can get a Bluehost discount and even bigger, further Bluehost discount right here on the package extras by unticking all these boxes so you can save even more money. And I'm also going to be updating the links down below so you can get the best Bluehost promo codes whenever you're watching this video as well. So yeah, that's basically it for today's Bluehost coupon code, Bluehost promo code, and Bluehost discount code video. Again, I'll provide a link down below for your convenience to the best Bluehost coupon code and discount codes available. Again, this may change from time to time, so again, I'll be updating those links down below in the video description for you. And again, if worst comes to worst, you can just go over here to the checkout page and untick a lot of these package extras or all these package extras and save the most amount of money anyway doing that as well. A very, very great way to save some money is by unticking some of these package extras that are ticked by default. So yeah, wanted to go over this in today's video. Links will be down below, and thanks for watching today's Bluehost coupon code, Bluehost discount code, and Bluehost promo code, coupon code, discount code. I don't even know what you want to call it. There's so many names for it, but basically enjoy your Bluehost coupon code and enjoy your Bluehost savings. Thanks for watching. Cheers.